have we got? Bread, yogurt, jam, halva, biscuits, fruit, salad and egg, coffee and citronade. Now I have an afternoon to check out Sousse before I leave town and camp somewhere between here and Kairouan. And usually the mosque doesn't have a minaret, so the call to prayer comes from this tower on the fort. No, not safe. It's a very sweaty day today. It's 39 degrees right now here on the coast and 45 at Kairouan inland, so I'm going to leave it as long as I can before I head off. Bonjour. Choice this afternoon between the fort like I saw yesterday in Monastir or the Archeology and Mosaic Museum like I saw a couple of days ago in Djem, and to be honest it was the promise of air conditioning that swung it for me. عايشك.
يرجعوا شد واحد ولد بلادي وقال لي ما تعرفنيش ما تعرفش.
Could camp somewhere over here in this field, and I believe I could take a very nice photo of my tent and sunset, but more hidden would be in this little concrete bunker here. Easy. I don't know if that bodes well. Let's try a drop of Tunisian wine. I think this is my first Tunisian wine. I mean, it's hard to say because the bottle's at like 35 degrees right now, but I think it's okay. I'd choose a cold beer given the choice, but it's okay. It's good. I like it. It's fine. Not bad.